Hi everybody, Jim again from KSTHL Labels. So, fabric label for handmade at home. So yes, we have made so many customers, and they are not the factories, they are not the companies. They just some ladies at home, and they want some labels for them, the handmade. So of course we also uh, make the small orders for them because of course that is not depend on money, just like the uh, service. If someone people love our products, of course we did not care about the money the first. We just want to give the people our best the quality labels, because so many people, so many customers, they stay at home, they want to make some handmade products. So but the products also need some the woven labels. So actually sometimes the friend the labels is very difficult because so many people don't like production small orders, but we always support our customers. If you want the labels, just 10 pieces, maybe 100 pieces, will also produce for you. Just you just pay for the motor charge. That is okay. Thank you. Bye bye.